Hi, welcome to Jackieburnscreations. I am so happy to be putting up a video after 3 weeks. Hope you enjoy. What I did was I had these pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And the quality on these were really great. So I'm painting one in cashew. And you can't tell much, but it was pretty close to the natural wood color. So anyway, I did this video probably in August, but I didn't get it up. And I had my shoulder replaced, if you didn't know. And now I'm just getting anxious to start getting back in to do something, but I haven't started crafting yet, but I thought I'd get this video up so you didn't forget about me. And I want to tell all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. I've got probably 60 new subscribers since I went in the hospital. And I just want to welcome every one of you and thank you for my oldies for sticking in there with me. So I hope you do enjoy this video. I think this came out so stinking cute. And I'll tell you, it's not easy getting your shoulder replaced. What they had to do on me, because it had a previous surgery, they had to do what they call a reverse. So they switch where the joint is. Okay, and here's the second one. And I'm going to paint an orange. The other one was chalk paint. Like I said, it was cashew. This is just an acrylic paint. And I think it was pumpkin. Even if you don't paint anything fancy and you just paint, it's just so relaxing. And I hope everybody's been having a great fall. And I am dying to do something for Halloween, so I'm hopefully gonna try to do something this week. I actually cooked dinner today. And I had the shoulder replaced on September 11th, so it's been almost a month. Starting to do a few exercises. And I'll tell you, I am the bionic woman. I've had 6 knee surgeries. The last 2 were replacements. I've had my hips replaced. I had my left shoulder replaced. Now the right shoulder replaced. This right shoulder's kind of a bugger though, because I am right-handed. And tell me below, what's the best thing you've had going on this fall? I hope things have been better for you. And we sure hope the rest of the year goes nice. It was so exciting to live through 2020 and say we made it to 2020. And then to have this year just be, Let's hope the Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas are much better. Okay. showing this backwards. Oh, and I painted this one white. Okay, now that they're all dry, should have sped that up. You guys didn't have to watch that. What I'm doing is I'm taking just a regular piece of paper and I'm running it, my finger over the crease. I'm just taking a pencil now and going along the edges of where those raised pieces of wood are. Okay, and I did put on which one was the right, which one was the center, and which one was the left, because I wanted to make sure they were upright, and I got them in the right spots. So I'm cutting them out. I got some great fabrics at Walmart, some fat quarters, and I've hardly used any of it, so I'll have some left over for next year. And when I have been into Walmart, I keep looking to hopefully find some Christmas ones, but haven't seen any. I used some of this fabric on my shelf sitter It's in my playlist if you haven't seen it. Okay, cutting these out. And the pencil was great just to trace around it. And just cut right inside the pencil line. It'll be just perfect. I think I used a bit of a softer drawing pencil. Okay. Put some Mod Podged on there. It works wonderful with fabric. And if it does hang over just a tiny bit, after it dries, it'll be quite stiff and you can use an X-Acto knife to trim off any overhang. Come on, be nice. Okay, now you're gonna take and go over the top. You can actually go over the whole pumpkin. And you can do this with any of the wood products you get at Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But they just have been having some fantastic wood pieces. And boy, that's the thing. I got on these right quick, so I was able to get some nice things there. And same with the Christmas stuff. They were putting that out just before I went in the hospital, and I actually stalked a woman at this one store when she was putting out Christmas stuff, and I looked at her and told her, I'm stalking you. And she goes, stop. And I said, but I want these stuff. Well, anyway, so that's how we put that on. And I didn't record the rest. Okay, so I showed you how to make everything in the video, but then I didn't show you how to put it together. So what I did was I took one of those wooden signs from Dollar Tree, and I painted it white, and then I put a stain over the top of it. And I took another one of these signs from Dollar Tree, and what I did was I glued it down on the back here. You can see where I glued it on the back. And then I put, I put tumbling tower blocks on the back of the pumpkins, and I glued them down to the front. And I'm not sure, did I show you how I put just the wooden beads on? I didn't paint them or anything. You could paint these or stain them or do anything to them. And I tried to line up the fabric on the truck. And then I added some leaves. And I put a little pumpkin here. So there, that's all done. And I think that came out really, really cute. Good shot of it for you. And I hope you like it. Now I'll go add it to the video and you can see the rest.